Hey, fifth grade students of Mays. My name is Mr. Burkamp and I'm here at Mays High School standing beside the 720 panel, 200 kilowatt solar system that is unique to this school. It's the biggest one in the Midwest. And so this came to be because a lot of people shared a vision of Mays leading the way in terms of renewable green energy. And so in 2017 we started the project, and we've raised over $200,000, and the system was built last year. It went online June 11th, and so far we've saved close to $30,000. So let me explain how the system works. So these photovoltaic cells take photons, and photons are just bundles of energy that come from the sun, and that's produced from a fusion process in the sun where hydrogen slams together under very high pressure and high energy, and it fuses in to make helium. And so when that process of converting hydrogen into helium, there's a slight loss of mass that gets converted into energy. And that energy then is radiated from the sun, and we get those as little bundles of energy that we call photons. So if you remember your structure of the universe, every atom is composed of 3 main parts: electrons, protons, and neutrons. The protons and neutrons are locked up in the nucleus of the atom, okay? And around the outside, you have like these little, kind of like mosquitoes, that are these electrons, and they're very, very small particles that are negatively charged. So these rays, or this ray is constructed so that when that photon comes in, it hits this material and it strikes the electron, and it gives it so much energy that it leaves its normal state around the nucleus, and it becomes excited. And then what these panels do is that they harvest that electron, and a whole bunch of those taking place billions of times a second, and it creates an electric current. So just like a battery has a positive and negative terminal, each of these panels has a positive and negative terminal. So we harness that electricity, and that electricity is generated in what we call direct current, or DC. So what we have to do is we have to take that DC current, and then back over here, we have this row of inverters here, and what these do is that they take the DC electricity that's generated from the array, and that changes it into AC. So AC stands for alternating current. So the electrical grid of the United States works on alternating current. So for that electricity to be used out on the grid, you've got to change it from direct current, DC, into AC. And that's what this bank of inverters do right here. So then once it's converted into AC, then we ship that underneath the ground, and it goes over to the school, and that's where we can use that to power the school. And at the end of the day, any good electricity story ends with "we can make toast." So there's there are 3 general ways that you can make electricity in the state of Kansas. We're using solar panels here. We generate the electricity right here. We use it on site. We can use coal-powered electricity and that heats up water, and that turns it into steam. The steam has a lot of what we call kinetic energy, and that kinetic energy is the energy of motion, and that spins a turbine, and that generates electricity, and then we ship it here and we can use it there. Or we can use more and more wind turbines, which again, they spin, they generate electricity, they ship it here, and we could use it. But no matter what, at the end of the day, we can make toast. So we can either make toast by generating electricity right here and shipping it 100 yards and using it at the school, or we can generate it with wind turbines, which is cool because that's a renewable energy source, or we can burn coal or natural gas, heat up water, generate electricity, and then we can make toast that way. So if you drive by, see it, it's a cool deal, and hopefully we can get more of these going in the district. So thanks, have a good day.